Hello class 10C. In our last class, we are discussing about the extraction of aluminium, and we have discussed about the concentration of aluminium ore, that is from bauxite, how we'll get an alumina. Okay, so and the process that was known as Beer's process. Now today we are going to see how we can extract aluminium from alumina by the process of electrolytic reduction of fused alumina. Alumina means Al2O3, aluminum oxide, and this process is known as Heroult's process. Now let us see what is this process all about. In this process, we have got a rectangular iron tank with sloping bottom. The sloping bottom of the tank facilitates the removal of the molten aluminium. The tank is lined with the gas carbon. We'll see the diagram in the next page. Electrolyte used over here, it is the mixture of molten alumina, then 20%. Then we add cryolite. We'll see what is cryolite as well. Fluorospore 20%, and powdered coke is sprinkled over the surface of the electrolyte. Now over here, cryolite and fluorospore are added to the mixture of this alumina in order to decrease the fusion temperature of aluminium, because aluminium melts at around 2050 degrees Celsius, but when you just add this to cryolite and fluorospore, the fusion temperature reduced to 950 degrees Celsius. Okay, so temperature, the molten temperature electrolyte is kept at 950 by electrical heating, and voltage used 5 to 6 volt. A low voltage is used to avoid decomposition of the molten cryolite. Now this is the diagram. This is the, we can say, the electrolytic reduction. So now over here we have got this we can call it the electrolytic cell, and over here we have got an anode. This is a carbon or graphite anode, and over here we have got this inside one is the cathode. Okay, now in this we have got an electrolyte, that is the molten mixture of alumina, cryolite, fluorospore, powdered coke. Okay, now this is the electrolytic rearrangement for it. Now what will happen when you pass the electric current? The electrolyte get decomposed. Cryolite, that is the formula is Na3AlF6, and I told you the function for cryolite, will decompose as Na plus, Al3 plus, and 6F minus. Fluorospore is calcium fluoride, which will decompose as calcium 2 and fluoride ion. And alumina is aluminum oxide, which will decompose as 2Al3 plus and O2 minus. Now we have got positive ions, sodium ion, calcium ion, and aluminum ion, while negative ions formed in the solution are F and O2 minus. Now they will have the competition among them, that which ion will go to the anode and which one ion will go to the cathode, because we have got 3 cations and 2 anions. So aluminium, being lower in electrochemical series, is preferentially discharged at the cathode, while oxygen at the anode. So out of these cations and anions, aluminium, since it is in lower in the electrochemical series, will move to the cathode, and out of anion, fluoride and oxide, the oxide will move to the anode. Now how the reaction at cathode and anode will take place? At cathode, aluminum ion will go and gain an electron, and it will convert into aluminium. Okay, and at anode, oxide lose an electron to form oxygen atom, and that oxygen atom combines to give you a neutral oxygen. So this is how we can get the aluminium from alumina by the electrolytic reduction of aluminum oxide, and this process known as Heroult's process. Now assignment for today, assignment number 1. Okay, for this for your selection exam. Question number 1, name the process used for the electrolytic reduction of alumina to obtain aluminium. Question number 2, in the electrolytic reduction of alumina, name the following: electrolytic mixture used, chemical reaction that takes place, cathode and anode reaction. And question number 3 is, write the formula of cryolite, and what is the function of cryolite in the electrolytic reduction of alumina. So complete your answer and send in my